Are you holding a Mastercard gift card and wondering how to use it with Cash App? You're not alone. In this quick step-by-step guide, I'll show you the easiest way to move that balance onto your Cash App. Even though Cash App doesn't let you link gift cards directly, stick with me till the end because I'll also share a pro tip to avoid getting stuck during the process. First, we need to link your Mastercard gift card to PayPal. Log into your PayPal account and go to the Wallet section. Click Link a Card or Bank, then choose Link a Debit or Credit Card. Enter your gift card details, card number, expiration date, and security code. Hit Link Card and PayPal will treat your gift card like a regular debit card. Quick tip: not all prepaid cards work. Store-specific gift cards like Nike or Sephora won't link, but network gift cards like Mastercard usually do. Next, let's transfer the money from PayPal to your bank account. From your PayPal wallet, click Transfer Money. Select Transfer to your bank. Pick either Instant Transfer, small fee, or Standard Transfer, free, takes 1 to 3 days. Enter the amount you want and confirm. Finally, it's time to load the funds into Cash App. Open Cash App, tap My Cash, then Add Cash. Make sure the bank account you just used is linked to Cash App. Enter the amount and tap Add. That's it. Your Mastercard gift card money is now available in your Cash App balance, ready to send, spend, or invest. And there you have it. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step Cash App tips. And if you want to save even more money online, check the description for special deals and resources I've put together for you. See you in the next video.